The last video for this week's lessons is about fill in the blank problems. So for these problems, instead of asking you to find the answer, they give you the answer and they ask you to find part of the problem. Okay, so the first one says, fill in the question mark with the polynomial that would make this equation true. So first thing we're going to do is look to see if we have a common denominator. Okay, we definitely do. So we don't have to do anything to the denominators, right? So we know if we have a common denominator and we're adding, we would do x minus 10 plus whatever our question mark is, all over 3x plus 5. And here we know it equals 2x minus 7 over 3x plus 5, right? Because when we're adding rational expressions, we keep the common denominator and then just add the ones on the top. Okay, so we also know, that we want 2x, right? So x plus something must give me 2x. So what is the something that I have to add? X plus what is 2x? Oh, well, x plus x is 2x, right? Okay, then I have negative 10 plus something has to give me negative 7. So what do I have to add to negative 10 to get negative 7? Oh, well, I would add 3, right? So this is our question mark. So our answer is x plus 3. And you can double check this, right? Let's get rid of all of this highlighting and stuff. Okay, so we said our answer was x plus 3. So let's just make sure. If I add x, if I do x plus x, do I get 2x? I do. If I do negative 10 plus 3, do I get negative 7? I do. So I'm right. All right, our next one is a subtracting one. So first thing we always do, look for a common denominator. Do I have the common denominator? I do. So I know that I would do 8x plus 2 minus, remember when you're subtracting something, you have to put the parentheses, minus our something, all over our common denominator, equals x plus 4 over x minus 1. All right, so the bottoms already look the same, right? X minus 1, but we need the tops to look the same. So we want to know what's going to go in these parentheses that's going to make the tops look the same. So I have 8x minus something has to give me x. So 8x minus what is 1x? Well, that has to be 7x, right? 8x minus 7x is just x. Okay, next I have 2 minus something has to give me 4. So 2 minus what is going to give me 4? Okay, well, a lot of people are tempted to say 2, right? 2 plus 2 is 4. But we're not adding, right? We're not doing plus, it's minus. So 2 minus negative 2 gives me positive 4, right? Because if I'm doing 2 minus negative 2, oh, that becomes a plus. Okay, so it looks like we have our answer. It looks like our answer is 7x minus 2. But let's just double check. Oops. Okay, if I look at my answer, if I do 8x minus 7x, do I get x? I do. If I do 2 minus negative 2, do I get 4? I do, so I'm definitely right.